All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always negative. I need new friends, but it's... Oh man. Hey, what's going on, guys? This song has been requested a lot. It's taken me a while to figure out the chords. I still don't know the lyrics that well, and they're pretty tough chords to play, so if you haven't played ukulele before, this is going to be a good song to actually spend more time in practice because the chords are a little difficult and it's a little hard to switch back and forth from each one. But you guys wanted this song, Toxic by BoyWithUke, so I'm going to go ahead and teach it to you guys. As you can hear from the beginning, I was still struggling trying to switch through the chords and trying to figure out the right sound. His new songs have a lot going on, so it's kind of hard to pick out just the ukulele, but I think I figured it out, and I hope this helps you guys learn how to play it. So let's get to the chords. I want to start out with two things that I know you guys are going to want to hear before we get to the chords or anything. One being that I'm going to make a video of how to make a song that sounds like a BoyWithUke song. That's right, I'm going to make a video, my ukulele and GarageBand, show you how you can make a song that sounds like a BoyWithUke song. And number two, I have a song out on Spotify called Chameleon Boy. I also have another one, but Chameleon Boy is newer, kind of the style that I'm going for, and I'm going to be making more songs like that, so go check that out. That's going to be in the link down here. And since you're down there, why don't you hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know which song or kind of video you want next. Now let's get to the chords. I'm going to put the chords right here so you guys can see the actual chart before I show you them. And then I'll keep them here as I talk about that chord. And it will be less confusing because these are pretty difficult. Muy difícil. All right, guys. The chords for Toxic are pretty difficult. I'm not gonna lie. They are a little more intermediate than beginner. Most of his songs have been like C and G and F and maybe 1 or 2 bar chords. This song has quite a few, and if they're not bar chords, then you have like a weird shape instead. Shape instead. But the first chord, after we make sure our ukulele is in tune, dun 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 dun. The first chord is an A flat minor, which is a bar chord. That's right, we're gonna bar the 2nd fret, but then we're gonna do, you know how you do the G chord right here? It's gonna be like that, but with these 3 fingers on the top 3 strings. So bar the 2nd fret, put your ring finger, your middle finger, sorry. Bar the 2nd fret, put your middle finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, put your ring finger, top string, 4th fret, and put your pinky, 3rd string, 4th fret. And it sounds like this. The second chord is a G flat, which is whoop, bar the 1st fret, and put your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, then your ring finger on the top string, 3rd fret, and it sounds like this. Then the next chord is an E, which there are 2 ways to play the E. I like to play the bar chord of the E. You bar the 2nd fret, and then these 3 strings on the 4th fret, you just use the top of your finger. So you leave this bottom string loose, and you just put these top 3 strings in the 4th fret. And this is E. If you don't like the barred one, if you can't do the bar E chord, you can do the normal E chord, but it's just like a weird shape with your finger, okay? So a normal E chord is going to look like this instead of the barred one. And that is the 1st finger, 1st string, 1st fret, ring finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, and then your pinky needs to go all the way to the 4th fret on the 2nd string, and it sounds like this. It's the same as this, because they're the same chord, just different. So if you're having trouble with the bar, do this weird shaped one. And you can use your middle finger or your ring finger, whatever is easier for you on this bottom string. Then the next chord is going to be a B, which is barring the 2nd fret. That's why I do my E here, because then the next chord is going to be the B, which is this, then your middle finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the top string 4th fret. That's a B. And then the final chord is a G minor, which we've learned in other videos, but just in case you don't know, we have first finger on the first string, first finger on the last string, 1st fret, your middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. G minor. So all together, let's recap. We have A flat minor, G flat, E or E, then we have B, and then we have G minor. Simple so far? I know, they're a little bit harder than before, but this is a newer song. He's learning ukulele more, so do we. Harder chords. Okay, now the strumming pattern of this song, there is two. There's two. One of them is a picking pattern, and the other one is the strumming pattern that we usually do, which is the down, down, up, down, up, okay? So when he does the verses and he starts his song, he just picks the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string in a row. So he goes. But that's where it gets mixed up right there. So the chords that I showed you, we play in that order. It's the A flat minor, 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. I'll say the strings as their numbers. So A flat minor, 2, 3, 4, G flat, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, and then the B is just 2, 3, and then G minor, 2, 3. So the last two is kind of like a half on each. Instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it's just 1, 2, 1, 2. Does that make sense? So first 3 notes, A flat minor, G flat, and E are 2, 3, 4. And then the B and the G minor are just 2, 3, 2, 3. And then once we get past the verses, it's the same chords, but then now we strum with it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Just like how we cut the picking in half, we are going to pick the strumming in half for the B, G minor. Okay, does that make sense? So picking 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3. And then strumming is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and then back to the A flat minor. And that's a strumming pattern for the song. So most of my other videos, I play through the song and kind of show you guys what it sounds like at the end. But considering that this song is so new and I'm still having struggle switching to the different chords quickly, I don't know the lyrics that well, so I'm not really gonna be able to show you guys how the song's gonna sound. But I mean, you can play with the song on Spotify and kind of know what it sounds like. But yeah, I just know he's like, all my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always negative. I need new friends, but it's... See, that's the thing, I don't know the words, but... And then he goes dun 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 dun, and then the chorus. I'm better off all by myself. So it kind of sounds like that, but way better once you practice and do it for a while. Well, I hope this video helped you guys learn this new song, Toxic by BoyWithUke. Let me know what songs you guys want to hear next, what songs you want to learn. And let me know what other kind of videos and stuff that you want in the comment section. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You can even turn that bell notification on and you'll know whenever I post a new tutorial or a new video in general. See you guys later.
Well, chameleon boy keeps changing his own skin, trying all the colors at an attempt to fit in. Out of all the colors he tried, only one would do.